The microscopic civilization. And what if the reason we haven't found aliens is not because they are far away, but because they are too small to see? Human technology is built to detect things on our own scale. We track airplanes, satellites, asteroids, and radio signals powerful enough to cross stars. But intelligence doesn't require size. One intelligence at a smaller scale. On Earth, complexity already exists far below our perception. Ant colonies behave like superorganisms. Bees communicate through encoded movement. Bacteria coordinate in vast networks through chemical signaling. Now imagine a species that took that path further. A life form the size of mice or smaller that evolved not strength but efficiency. Instead of building skyscrapers, they built microstructures. Instead of engines, they mastered molecular propulsion. To them, manipulating atoms would be as natural as shaping stone was to early humans. 2. Technology we mistake for nature. Their machines wouldn't resemble ours. A spacecraft at their scale wouldn't look like metal or fire. It might look like a grain of dust, a pollen particle, a harmless mote drifting in the air. Radar wouldn't detect it, telescopes would ignore it, even microscopes wouldn't flag it as artificial, because we don't search for engineering at that scale. Their cities might exist inside cave systems deep underground, suspended in the upper atmosphere, floating within cloud layers, hidden inside ice, soil, or even water droplets to us. These would appear as natural formations or chaotic particles. But chaos and intelligence look identical when you don't know the pattern. 3. Energy without noise. Human technology is loud. We burn fuel, we emit radiation, we produce heat and waste. A microscopic civilization would have evolved the opposite approach: silent energy. They could draw power from thermal differences, electromagnetic fields, cosmic background radiation, chemical reactions. At a molecular level, their entire civilization could operate using less energy than a single human city. To us, they wouldn't register as technology. They'd register as background noise. 4. Time moves differently for them. At smaller scales, everything speeds up. Their chemistry reacts faster. Their communication is quicker. Their generations pass rapidly. What looks like slow progress to us might be millions of years of advancement for them. While humanity took thousands of years to reach space, a microscopic civilization could have achieved interplanetary travel before mammals ever evolved. By the time humans appeared, they may have already mastered survival. 5. Why they would hide. If such beings exist, they wouldn't reveal themselves. To them, humans would be unpredictable megafauna like elephants or storms. One careless step could wipe out entire cities. We don't announce ourselves to ant colonies. We don't ask bacteria for permission. They would study us, avoid us, move around us, not out of fear but practicality. Their greatest defense wouldn't be weapons, it would be being beneath our notice. 6. The unsettling possibility. The most disturbing part of this theory is not that such a civilization could exist, it's that it could coexist with us right now. In the air you breathe, the ground beneath your feet, the dust floating through sunlight, not invading, not watching dramatically, just living their lives while we search the stars for something big enough to look like us. Maybe the universe is full of intelligence, we just built our eyes wrong.